So here we have a finished neck guard. We've got 1, 2, 3 pieces on here. So you're going to use the same pattern for these 2 pieces. When I cut these out, you'll see here I did a bevel cut to help hide the edge of the piece once it's fully assembled. So you'll cut out, starting off, you'll cut out your 2 pattern pieces, neck guard for the left and the right, and your center piece here. Have them cut out like so. Here you have your pattern for your center piece. And then this will be used for the left and the right sides. Now what I did is I took some scrap pieces of foam and glued them all together after heat curving them, putting a bit of a curve into them, making it all one piece. And then once I heat sealed it, I spray painted it with Rust-Oleum Universal Metallic Paint and Primer in 1. They're Carbon Mist. Now again, you don't have to use this color. This is the color that I chose to do. And if you don't use something that's a paint and primer in 1, I would strongly recommend doing a primer first before just straight painting it. So to add just a little bit of detail to the piece before fully finishing it up, I took some brads and put them in the corners here. So it's a pretty simple thing to do. Since it's foam, got a brad like this, and you center it, you place it where you want it, and just push it through the foam. And there you have it. So to attach the neck guard to the torso, first you'll want to cut out a couple pieces of 2mm foam that are about 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch, and press them underneath your brads right here, because this is going to be the anchor point in the front. What this will do is it will allow you to, if you choose, to wear a cape underneath here and have this back part resting over your cape. So cut out a couple scraps of foam, glue them over the brads here, and that is where you will glue those 2 points to the top of your torso. If you like, you can do more secure anchoring by adding some more spots through here in the back and gluing it down, but then you won't be able to get a cape underneath there. So it's your option, whichever way you want to do it.